Good morning from Puerto, Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise. Wednesday morning here. Still waiting for snow on El Teide. I was hoping yesterday. So, Wednesday morning weather. Beautiful sky. Partly sunny, partly cloudy. Expecting 22, maybe 3 degrees today. Now it's 10 o'clock, 20 degrees. Very nice. I'll show you platanos in December. It's a season for them. Oh, this is beautiful smell. I love this bush. Playa de San Telmo. Vincent is planting new plants. Wow, thank you, Vincent. Bird is here. He's here every winter. So have a lovely Wednesday. Best wishes from Puerto Cruz, from Tenerife, from paradise.
No, Pedro.